Right, everybody. I love my gadgets, don't I? And obviously, I love me Kärcher as well. So, I've ended up buying something for the Kärcher just to make life a little bit easier for me, because everybody knows with these, I'll just show you, I ended up buying something a little bit different, trying it and testing it, see what it's like anyway. So I bought this, the Mingle pressure washer hose, and you get the adapters with it as well, which is like this one. So that's what I've bought, and to connect it, I've done a little bit of I bought another connector, which is basically, I'm going to have to show you again, aren't I? Hang on. So basically, where your jet washer is, and it connects in here, in this bit. I should take it out and show you so it's easier. So this is the, focusing in proper on this. I'll tell you what I'll do, hang on a minute. For the Karcher, so that just basically screws onto the end of this. Put it in proper, that goes inside here. And then you need the little clip, just basically, to hold that in place. So, job number one done. Don't forget to put plumbing tape on, PFT tape on the thread. So that's that bit done. If it will work, it's a different story. I can't see why it shouldn't, but as you know yourselves, this is basically true life. Now this bit is going to be quick release on here. It's so awkward doing it with one hand, but that's one ending. And then this one, this end, is to attach my guns and everything. So I love my little Kärcher, my K4 Kärcher, upgraded from the K2, which it had for absolutely years, until it died. On one of my previous videos, it died when I was just washing the cars. So I've done a little bit of modification on this, because these black hoses, what you get with your Kärchers or your extra ones, they're like brittle, and trying to straighten them out when you're washing the car and things like that, it was becoming a hell of a nightmare. So now I bought the yellow hose, and it's like I said, it's the Ming. So I'm going to put a link to the adapters. You get some adapters with it, and then I bought one extra adapter just so I could fit it into the Kärcher, which was just showed you what that is. So proof is in the pudding. Let's have a look, see how it all goes together. And this is all coiled up now. This is all coiled up. Let's see how easy it is to uncoil. So this is that now plugs on there, so it makes it easier. It spins round, it's not gonna. So let's see, sorry about the wobble in the camera, but using one hand, look how it's spinning as I'm pulling the adapter. Look, that's spinning as that's coming out. So that, hopefully, I'm not going to do anything else with it, see if this does it for me. I'm letting you see it as I'm doing it. Look. Let's see how this does anyway. So you can see they're not, nothing is anti-kink, but it's a lot better with this spinning. That's all it is that's stopping the kink, is this, but it's spinning. That's what's stopping the kinking. It's not the holes, it's the adapters. When they say it's anti-kink, it's not anti-kink, it's the parts of the adapters which makes it spin round to stop it pulling on each other and lets the holes spin round. So it's not really anti-kink. But it's still better, isn't it? Proof will be in the pudding when I do the car washing. So I'm just waiting for Jan to come down now and bring a car and I can test it. The only thing why I wanted this as well is because it's 50 foot. I can leave the Kärcher at the back. I don't have to unravel as much hose pipe. And I can take it from this Kärcher to the one at home. So I've got the other adapter for the one at home. And I've got one for here. So basically I can just take the yellow hose back with me and connect it to the other Kärcher, which isn't as good as this one, but it's still a jet wash for home. So let's see how it goes. Right, I had a little bit of a problem. I'm going to show you what that problem was. So bear me a second while I just put you down for a minute. That is peeing out. But it was peeing out the gun as well as here. So it's pissing out of that and peeing out of that. I just swapped that round and it's fine. But I still don't like it coming out of there. So that's the problem with it up to now. So when you do your quick detachments, it comes out of that. So once you put your gun on, you have to turn the water off unless you want a bit of wet your hands a bit. So I don't like that. But I can't remember if it happened on my last one. Anyway. Up to now, kink-free, but it's not to do with the hose. It's basically the adapters, what you get with it. So that is the solution. It's nothing to do with the hose. Just buy the adapters if you've got that. But I've bought it anyway. It's 50 foot. And up to now, it seems okay. But proof will be in the pudding, won't it? And the other good thing about it, really, to be honest, is I can have my Karcher further away and still have all this lead to wash the cars. So I'm just going to give Jan's a quick wash with it now while I can.